Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Robinhood investment account. Beginner investing guide step by step clearly. First, check that Robinhood is available in your country or state and that you meet the age requirement. Prepare your government-issued ID, your social security number if you are in the U.S., and a bank account you can link. Use a secure personal device and a private internet connection to protect your information. Download the Robinhood app from the Apple App Store or Google Play, or visit the official Robinhood website. Open the app and tap Sign Up to start creating your account. Enter your email address and create a strong, unique password you do not use anywhere else. Confirm your email if Robinhood sends a verification link or code. Type your legal name, date of birth, and current home address exactly as shown on your documents. Answer the identity verification questions and upload requested ID photos if prompted. Enter your social security number or tax identification details as required for your region. Review and accept the customer agreements, disclosures, and privacy policy after reading the key sections. Set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your login. Create a secure PIN or enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint if your phone supports it. Choose the account type offered to you, such as an individual taxable brokerage account. Complete the investing profile questions about income, employment, and experience honestly to match regulatory rules. Select whether you want to enable options trading only if you understand the risks. Otherwise, leave it off. Go to the Account tab and choose Link Bank Account to connect your funding source. Pick your bank from the list or use routing and account numbers if manual linking is needed. Verify your bank connection through the secure login flow or small test deposits, depending on the method. Once linked, tap Transfer Money and choose the amount you want to deposit into Robinhood. Start with a small amount you can afford to invest while you are learning how the platform works. Wait for the deposit to clear, because some funds may take time before they are fully available. Open the search bar and look up a stock, ETF, or other asset you want to understand before buying. Tap the asset, review the price chart, company details, and key risk information shown in the app. Choose Buy, enter the dollar amount or share quantity, and double-check the order type and timing. Review the order preview carefully, including estimated cost, market hours, and any warnings displayed. Swipe or confirm to place the order, then monitor it in your portfolio to see when it fills. Set a simple routine to learn basics like diversification, long-term thinking, and avoiding emotional trading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.